Oh. Hey, what up, homies? We just made it out to Gnarnia at, what is it, Super Am Technologies? Yeah. You give them the rundown, I can't do it.
We're at Gnarnia, owned by Super Am Technologies.
Yeah, at John Beather's house. We got K-Dog.
And we got bikes.
And we got bikes, we got Nitzen. Yeah, it's going down. Let's do it.
Hey, what are you doing? I'm just singing Johnny Cash about a boy named Sue.
Oh, man. What's up, boys? What's up, John? How are you?
Doing okay.
Doing good. Nice to see you. How's the drive?
Yeah, long.
Ready? Are you ready?
I was born ready.
He was born ready, so let's go do it. Ready? Got him. That's how you get him to shut up.
Welcome to my place. My name's John Beathers, and this is my training grounds. Sometimes called Super Am Technology Training Grounds, sometimes called Gnarnia. I don't really care. Just here to have fun.
Oh! You actually cleared your memory card.
Yeah, it's like 3/4. Well, that was Scooter. Thanks for clearing that, bud. We'll put you in your nice little cozy case before we get started today. Nitzen say he's going big. Yeah, Nitz! Woo!
Yeah, K-Dog. All right, first hit on the foam pit. See if we can get backy.
Do it! Yeah, boy!
That's what I wanted. Dude, let's take that to Resi. Bada bing, bada boom.
Wanna know how it's a good one?
What?
Is when your tire leaves a mark.
Yeah, that was sick.
Let's get one more.
Oh, okay. That's what I was thinking.
That was sick.
Come off rolling on your bike already.
Yeah.
This looks real mellow too, so it'll feel nice.
Yeah, let's go.
Fuck, my hands are sweaty. Okay, drop. Dude, that was scary. Shit. No, when I was out here filming last time, there's no way in hell I thought I'd be hitting this.
Gonna learn today.
Gonna learn today.
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Just go fast, bud. Go fast.
Fuck yeah, motherfucker. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Here we go.
Yo! Yes!
Yes,
dude!
Scooter!
Yes! You gotta go fast. Yo, bud!
No, you had it.
You have that perfect.
Just go land that
Heck
shit,
yes,
boy.
Dude.
Yo!
Get out of here. Hell yes, Scooter. No way.
I just flipped it.
Dude. Yeah. Oh my. Damn straight. Third time on the BMX. Awesome.
Holy shit,
He
I'm
almost
shaking.
landed it. Like,
I'm literally shaking right now. All right, so Scooter came up to me literally about 6 months ago, told me he wanted a BMX. I whipped out all my old parts, tore through them, saw what I had, ended up making him a bike, and this is his third time on the BMX. Just came out, he just came out, sent a flip. He's about ready to stomp this one, and yeah, third time on a BMX, killing it, Scoot. Yeah, boy. Drop.
you got it, bud.
Fuck yeah. Woo! Woo! Fuck, I got that. This is the one. We'll all be here ready to celebrate, boy.
Yes, dude.
I don't know why this thing scares me so bad.
You got it. Just stay lean back a little more. And just like be ready for the pump.
Just need to keep my feet on the fucking pedals.
Oh yeah, you over the second one? No, I've just been flipping. That's the thing, like the speed. No, it's perfect.
Ow. Scoot, you got a few more for the rain, bud. I know your dick hurts, but I think you got it. I believe in you. Hold on. Yep, I'm holding on. You're holding on to your nuts. Ow. I can only laugh because that happens to me all the time. Ow. Part of learning BMX. It hurts. It's really probably not very good for your kids, but whatever.
Good.
I'm just gonna keep recording because this is kind of funny. Just because I always do this and give people shit. I think this is the first time that Scooter actually rode his bike and hit his dick that hard. Always a learning experience, isn't it, bud? Look at that determination, though. That's what I like to see. Straight back on it. This is my hangout spot. Yep, you know. It's here. Doing it up. Hanging out. Apparently he wrecked too, so. Wreck fest. This is the one! This is the one, bud. Fuck yeah, this is the one. Yeah, boy. Good call. Look at that determination.
Oh, yeah.
That's all I like to see.
You always need one of those, you know?
For Gnarnia. Yeah! Yeah! Fuck yes! Woo! Yes, Scoot.
I did it!
Third time on a bike, probably 6th or 7th go.
Holy shit. I did that. Dude.
Here, tell this one you did it.
I did that. Okay, guys, this meant so much to me. Like, that was our goal. I told Curtis today I wanted to come out here and backflip. Honestly, when we first came out here, I started getting in my head and a little nervous. Sorry, my mouth is so dry. I'm so dehydrated. I just went like 10 times in a row. But holy shit, guys, I'm just like blown away right now. I'm so happy we made this work. We thought we were gonna get weather today. We had like literally 2 hours of sun. Came out here, got it. And look, now it's raining. Like perfect timing. Yeah, that's a wrap on Gnarnia. Woo!
Okay, so I actually just almost dropped in without putting gloves on, but knowing me, myself, and I, probably gonna wreck. So that thing seems like it has a little bit of a bounce in it, so let's find out.
I so wish I would have filmed that from the other side.
That was so rad.
Yo, you got that. He's going for it.
In the rain too. Extra fun right now.
What?
Go ahead, I ain't got that.
Get another flip. Get him smooth.
Yeah.
I'm going on that flip business today.
Dude, he's got this down. Dude, fucking killer day.
Oh yeah, that was awesome, kiddo.
Dude, I got the sickest shot of that backy right there. What you got? Dude, that was
the first time and now I can't.
You got that?
Alright, I got that.
Woo! Okay. Okay.
Oh, what? You just flared on your feet. That doesn't make any sense at all.
Yeah, boy.
What? What? Like bar over you, one-hander lander. Like magically dismount to flare on foot. Like,
Oh! Oh! He landed on my leg.
I thought I had you, but look how slick it is.
I just closed my eyes. Yeah!
I have nowhere to go. Look how
Your
slick
bike
it is.
just slid like 20 feet.
Alright, I gotta be done. I'm gonna hit you. Everyone out there that doesn't know me, I am extremely good at farting. Do it all the time. It's one of my favorite passions.
Just like, let's get out of here. Thank you.
yeah, you're welcome.
Awesome. Thanks for letting us come over.
Anytime.
Have a good one.
Ask you
Woo.
if Kurtile's not around on the 9th. Into that jam.
Huh?
If Kurtile's not around on the 9th.
Oh yeah, I'll come out here.
He keeps barking. He's kind of annoying. Oh, easy, dude. The bike's an antique, bro. Here, let me see that. Let me give you the action.
Put it in upside down.
Dude, it's at 1%. Will he get it? Oh, come on, dude. Come on, get back. Come on, dude. Oh, he got it.
Let's get out of here.
That.